y'all. So, drastic change of plans. I woke up this morning early, mad I had to go to work. I called my manager and let her know I'm gonna be like 2 minutes late. Well, I didn't even have work today. I read the schedule wrong. I didn't even have to work at 7. I go in to work at 5. But I had my lemons and I turned them into lemonade. So I'm 10 minutes away from the courthouse now. So I done drove 2 hours and I'm about to pull up at the courthouse to get my birth certificate. I'm glad everything worked out. Cause I was so stressed out. Like I was so stressed out. Didn't even have to work. Did not even have to work. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update. It'll all work out. What was that? Let it all work out. Yeah.
Well, that was easy. That took all of 5 minutes, I would say. So now it's time to take the 2-hour drive back home. So I get home. Man, I was a little frustrated, not gonna lie, but did you do this? He just woke up from a nap, so I ain't gonna get him here. And she acting all affectionate and stuff. But I took time to make this. Hold on. Y'all, that was so fun, I'm not gonna lie. Happy Valentine's Day.
Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Yeah. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your.
Man, I burnt the fuck out of the bread, bro. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see it. It's a full moon. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god. What's wrong with him? I came to the conclusion he might be trying to get a nap. Oh, I think I was right. Let me leave him alone.
The next day.
Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. I don't got much to say today. It's like 9:30, I'm gonna be honest. I gotta work at 11 a.m. Guess what time I get off? 11 p.m. I ain't never worked no 12-hour shift at this job. 12 hours. My cats is here. I should be here. I don't want to get emotional. I know I gotta make that bread, but I just wanted to give a quick disclaimer because I don't think I'm gonna have no vlog today, but I still want to add in this footage. So I'm gonna either combine today and tomorrow into one vlog, or don't be over there scratching. But so I don't know if I'm going to like combine the clips like today and tomorrow and make it into one vlog, or post a very tiny vlog, or don't post it all and skip a day. But I'm already filming this, so I don't know. It's not an eventful day. I woke up at like, what time I wake up?
I woke up at like 7:40, used the bathroom, took a shower, then I washed the dishes.
It's 9:30, like, next thing you know it's gonna be 10, and I leave at 10:30, like. I just wanna live life. Why is it so hard to make money in America? And it's not like I don't like to work. First of all, I don't like to work 3 to 11. Damn. But let me suck it up and go on about my day. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want me to be happy. If you want me to make these videos for you, you'll subscribe so I can make that money. All right, bye y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. This ain't nothing, this just something quick and cute for the kids.
Alright, this is donuts you making?
No, nigga, this is, I don't know what the fuck this is, okay? It's just something sweet for the fucking kids, okay?
That's all I got. That's all I got. I gotta fight the urge to DoorDash and trying to save money. I'm still hungry. It's a little chilly. We got like free, like they got break rooms and stuff, and they be having free and it's like a small little cup you're supposed to put it in. I be using the coffee cups and fill I'm about to eat all of this. Girl, what time is it? 8 o'clock. 3 more hours. Girl, you're the one I want. You're the one I need. You're right in front of me, girl. I was blind to see. Oh, oh.
Like I need a diaper. It's scrappy. Turn the gates happy. Man. I was them. And it's custom. Big gem. I'm the one that they pumping.
Now what you feeling? A good time. I'm tired of being careful, gentle, trying to keep the water warm.
What she say?
Oh, there it goes. I said too much, it overflowed.
Cunty. Coke, never got the cookie, but got my name tag. NYC, New York Fashion Week, Tommy Hill jacket. Don't know how to treat a lady. I oughta smack your mama. Bitch, do I look like fucking Superwoman?
Don't you say what's on your mind?
Yeah.
I never taught you leave, I never taught you leave, I never taught you leave me here right now.
Hey.
I ain't know I had that. I lost my voice. Ooh. Ignore that. And I got these off of DoorDash because we ordered something like this and we thought they was only in Florida, but I didn't know they had them right down the street. So we're gonna try them and see if it tastes like the ones we had in Florida. So as you can see, I did forget to film an intro yet again, but that's okay. I'll just explain what happened. After eating, and the buns that we had, they did taste like the ones from Florida. The place is called King Bao in Orlando, Florida. They may have several locations, but I know the one we went to was in Orlando. I have a picture coming up, but if you ever go to Orlando or you live in Orlando, you need to try King Bao ASAP. But anywho, after eating our food, we went to sleep, and the clip behind me is recycled from days ago, but we do that every night. Like, we watch the rain sounds and we go to sleep. So that's it for this vlog. Well, it was actually a double vlog. It was a double vlog. it was a double vlog. And yeah, 2 days in one, because the first day was kind of short, but we're just gonna keep going with the same schedule, daily vlogs. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Kisses.